Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Equation FL. Today we will do exercise 2.2. But before we will start exercise 2.2, let's embark some knowledge which will help you to solve exercise 2.2, that is zeros of the polynomial. In our previous class we have studied about what are polynomials, how many types of polynomials are there. There are three types of polynomials: linear, quadratic, cubic. What are the degrees of the polynomial? Now today we will study about the zeros or roots of a polynomial. Zeros or roots of a polynomial. Zeros or roots of a polynomial are those values of a variable x which makes the polynomial equals to zero. हमें x की ऐसी वैल्यूज पता करनी होती है और हमें उस पॉलिनोमियल के वेरिएबल की ऐसी वैल्यूज पता करनी होती है जिससे वो वाली पॉलिनोमियल की ओवरऑल वैल्यू या टोटल वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू जीरो हो जाए. There are three types of polynomial: linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, the degree of linear is 1, highest power of the polynomial is 1. Here the degree is 2, here the degree is 3. Now the value of degree is equal to the roots of the polynomial. If the degree is 1, roots are 1. If the degree is 2, roots or zeros are 2. And if the degree is 3, roots or zeros are 3. For example, if we will take one example of linear, 2x minus 1 is a linear polynomial. If you want to find the roots of the linear polynomial, we simply put this equals to 0 and we 0 plus 1, 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 upon 2. The root of the polynomial 2x minus 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 हम इस वैल्यू में रखेंगे, then this equation will become 0. The left hand side of this equation will become 0. Let's start exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2. एक एक कर हम सारी पॉलिनोमियल्स की वैल्यू चेक करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम पॉलिनोमियल को डिनोट कैसे करेंगे. पॉलिनोमियल को हमेशा डिनोट करते हैं हम p ब्रैकेट, वेयर इन ब्रैकेट वी हैव the name of the variable whether x और y और z और a b c और so on. यहाँ पर पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू हमारी इन द वेरिएबल ऑफ x है तो हम इसको px से डिनोट करेंगे. इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 5x माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 3. अब a पार्ट क्या है? व्हेन x इक्वल्स टू 0. इस इक्वेशन में हमें x की वैल्यू 0 पुट करनी है और इक्वेशन की वैल्यू निकालनी है या पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू निकालनी है. सिंपली पुट 0 इन द प्लेस ऑफ x. 5 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. The value of equation is 3. Or value of polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 3. Let's come to b part. P x equals to minus 1. Five into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, plus 3, minus 5, minus 4, plus 3, minus minus plus, minus 9, plus 3, your answer will be minus 6. Come to the C part. P 2. P2 5 multiplied by 2 minus 4 2 whole square plus 3. 5 2s are 10 minus 4 2 2s are 4 plus 3. 10 minus 4 4s is 16 plus 3. We simply add first. 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 16 and your answer will become minus 3. At x equals to 0, the value of the polynomial is 3. At x is equals to minus 1, the value of the polynomial is minus 6. And at x is equals to 2, the value of the polynomial will become minus 3. Move on to question number 2. In question number 2, we have to find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. It means we have to find the three values of the polynomial at x is equals to or y is equals to 0, at x or y equals to 1 or at x or y equals to 2. What is question number A? Py. Here the polynomial has a variable y equals to y square minus y plus 1. Let's start A part. Py equals to y square minus y plus 1. We have to find three values of this polynomial at y equals to 0, at y equals to 1, at y equals to 2. Let's start P 0. Simply substitute the value of y here. Here the value of y is 0, so 0 square minus 0 plus 1 which is equals to 1. P1 equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. It will become 1 minus 1 plus 1. Your answer is 1. At p equals to 2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. What is the value of 2 square? This is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, value of this polynomial y square minus y plus 1 at x is equals to 0 is 1, at x equals to 1 is 1 and at x is equals to 2 is 3. Let's come to B part. Our second part is Pt. Here the variable is t. Polynomial of a variable t is denoted by p in p bracket t equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Let us find out P0 first. Substitute the value of t as 0 in this polynomial. 2 plus 0 plus 2, 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0 equals to 2. The value of P0 is 2. Coming on to P1, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1 cancel and your answer is 4. Coming on to the third value P2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 whole cube. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 twos are 4 minus 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. It will become 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 8. 8 cancel, your answer will be 4. So at t is equals to 0, the value of the polynomial will become 2. And at t is equals to 1, the value of the polynomial will become 4. And at t is equals to 2, the value of the polynomial will become 4. Moving on to the C part, px is equals to x cube. Let us find out first value of x at 0. Let us find out the value of px at 0, that is p0. 0 raised to the power 3, it will become 0. At p1, 1 whole cube equals to 1. And at 2, 2 whole cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. At 0, the value of the polynomial will become 0. At 1, the value of the polynomial will become 1. And at 2, the value of the polynomial will become 8. The deep part is px equals to x minus 1 whole bracket, x plus 1 whole bracket. Let's find out the first value at x is equals to 0. It will become 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1, it will become minus 1. P1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2 and 0 multiplied by any number is 0. P2, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 3 and your answer will become 3. So at x equals to 0, the value of this polynomial is minus 1. At x equals to 1, the value of this polynomial equals to 0. And at x is equals to 2, the value of this polynomial is 3. Hope you understand this question. Let's start question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. What we have to do in this question, we just want to verify whether the following polynomial is what we have to find. We have to verify whether this number is the zero of the polynomial or not. So how can we find? We simply put the value of the zero in the polynomial and check whether the value of the polynomial is zero or not. अगर ये वाली वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल पे रखकर जीरो आती है, इट मीन्स द गिवन रूट और जीरो इज द रूट ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. एंड अगर पूरे पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू जीरो नहीं आती है, इट मीन्स दैट द given value or the giving zero is not the zero of that polynomial. So let's find out. Let's start question number 1. Here px equals to 3x plus 1 at x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Let's put 1 by 3 in the polynomial. Here the value of the polynomial will become 0. It means yes. Yes, x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Let's start question number 2. Px is equals to 5x minus 5 at x is equals to 4 by 5. Here the value of p 4 by 5 is equals to 4 minus 5, and you know 4 minus 5 is not 0. It means your answer is no. Now let's take a look on third part. Px is equals to x square minus 1 at x is equals to 1 and minus 1. Let's start with 1. 1 square minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. It means P1 is the 0 of the Px. What about minus 1? Let's check out. Minus 1 square minus 1. What is the value of minus 1 whole square? The value of minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. It means yes, 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Let's move to question number 4. Quickly find out p minus 1 -1 plus 1, -1 minus 2. -1 plus 1 is 0 and 0 multiplied by any number is 0. What about 2? 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 multiplied by any number is 0. It means p minus 1 is 0 and p2 is 0. Therefore, -1, 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. What is our fifth part? Px equals to x square at x is equals to 0. P0 is 0 square, which is equals to 0. Therefore, 0 is the zero of the polynomial px. Now let's move on to sixth part. Px is equals to Lx plus m. Substitute the value of x at m upon L is equals to L minus m upon L plus m. L cancel, minus m plus m equals to 0. Therefore, minus m upon L is the zero of the polynomial. Moving on to the seventh part, Px is equals to 3x square minus 1 at x is equals to 1 upon root 3, comma minus 1 upon root 3. First check with 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. It means 1 upon root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial 3x square minus 1. Let's find out whether minus 1 upon root 3 is the polynomial. Is the 0 of this polynomial or not? 3 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 into root 3 is 1 upon 3 and minus minus will become plus. 3 cancel and 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, I'm writing answer here. Therefore, 1 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 are the zeros of the polynomial px. Let's move on to the eighth part and the last part of this question. Px is equals to 2x plus 1 at 1 by 2. Quickly find out P1 by 2 equals to 2. 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel and 1 plus 1 will become 2. And 2 is not equals to 0. 2 is not equals to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial px. Let's move on to the last question. What is the fourth question? Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. A part is Px equals to x plus 5. I have already told you that if you want to find the 0 of the polynomial, we just simply put the value of the polynomial equals to 0. हम इस पूरे polynomial की value को 0 लिख देंगे. and it will become like this. When we put px is equals to 0, and what is the value of px? The value of px is x plus 5. We simply put x plus 5 is equals to 0, and it will give us x is equals to minus 5, and minus 5 is the 0 of px. Quickly move to b part. Px is equals to x minus 5. Px equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0. X will become 5, and this will be the 0 of px. Quickly move to the c part. Px is equals to 2x plus 5. Px equals to 0. 2x plus 5 equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 5. 2x equals to minus 2x is equals to minus 5. It will give you x is equals to minus 5 upon 2, and x is equals to minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5. What is fourth part? Px is equals to 3x minus 2. Px equals to 0. 3x minus 2 equals to 0. 3x equals to 2, and x will become 2 upon 3. What is the fifth part? Px is equals to 3x. Px equals to 0. 3x equals to 0, and x will become 0 upon 3, which is equals to 0. Sixth part is px is equals to ax. Px equals to 0, and ax equals to 0. It means x is equals to 0 upon a, which is equals to 0, where a does not equals to 0. a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. 0 upon a equals to 0, where a is an integer. The last part of this exercise is px is equals to cx plus d. Px equals to 0, which will give you cx plus d equals to 0, and cx is equals to minus d, and x will become minus d upon c. Minus d upon c is the 0 of px, cx plus d. Hope you understand this exercise. We will move on to exercise 2.3 in our next video. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.